Hi everyone, and welcome to another YouTube video on how to enter a production report online. So as like everything else, to do anything online, we have to enter your MyMASC password. If you do not have an account with MyMASC, please contact a service center near you to get signed up. If you do, once you've done your password, this will bring you to your main page. In the middle of your main page, you'll see the tab Harvest Production Report. Click on that to begin. For our example today, we're going to use Argentine canola. And as you can see, there's the 3 edit lines that need to be filled out. So the first one you do is your field documentation. Click on it. So we're going to say the yield on this 42 acres was 50 bushels to the acre. Do the unit measure bushels. No unharvested acres. We're going to say save all. If everything looks right and you get a green check mark, then you can scroll down to the back to overview. Now you can see that in the field documentation, it's saying there was 2,100 bushels harvested is what we reported. So if you have it all sold or all stored, you would do one of the two. But this example, we're going to say the producer has sold 1,000 bushels. So in the sold, fed, or seed production edit line, we're going to click on it. Now we're going to hit the plus sign to add production. We're going to say it was sold. And then the amount is 1,000. And we're going to use bushels. We're going to click on the standard grade because that'll always happen if you want. Unless you know the grade, that's fine. Save. And if it looks right, back to the overview again. If you have multiple loads, you can hit the plus sign and do every load separately. So now it shows that we have a variance on the red side because we have 2,100 bushels of field production and 1,000 bushels sold. We're going to say the other 1,100 is in stored. So in the remaining stored, we're going to click on the edit button, go to the plus, and we're going to say yes, it's in storage, and bin A, the gross volume is going to be 1,100 bushels. We're going to use the click on the dockage to default, click on the test weight default as well, and the grade just to make it simple, and add and close. If everything looks right under there, you can click on the back to overview now. Now you can see the submit buttons here, but before you look at it, it's saying a variance of only 1.57%, which is just the dockage taken out of the stored 1,100 bushels. But now everything looks right, appears right, and now at this time you can click submit. Scroll down, click on the agree to the declaration, click submit one more time. And now you can see beside the Argentine canola is the submitted green blocked out name that says you have finalized your Argentine canola harvest production report. It's as simple as that. If you do have any questions, contact a service center near you, and happy harvesting.